Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin's market cap surpasses 1.6 trillion US dollar. This is definitely a new record. Then let's talk about the BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is now bigger than its gold fund. And finally, I would like to also talk about that Microstrategy's Bitcoin portfolio surpasses 20 billion US dollar, and the return of investment is now over 100% with their DCA strategy. Of course, today we have seen a new Bitcoin all-time high above 82,000 US dollars. So guys, all this in today's video. And also don't forget that every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, when we start with the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is actually crazy, almost 20% up in a week. In the last 24 hours, 3% up. Ethereum almost 30% up in a week. What a week we had. And well, in the last 24 hours, Dogwith had up with 22%. Dogecoin, well, the dog's doing pretty good. Who let the dogs out, right? 20% up. And we have Kronos here, 17%. The loser, Nero, 12% down. Lido down 7%, and Mantle about 6% down. But overall, we're having a green market. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, look at this. Very important. We closed the week the highest ever. The closing price was above 80,000 US dollar with 428 US dollar above it. And this week we just continue, as you can see, new record above 82,000 US dollar. And yeah, all together it looks pretty impressive. When we're looking at here the altcoins, which means not including Bitcoin and Ethereum in this case, we can see that these also going up. Put it in perspective, look at getting to new highs. And when we're looking at the smaller ones, well, they just kind of started. This is here on the daily again. But yeah, they will come up. But first, the bigger ones coming, and then the small ones. Usually, this is how it is. Bitcoin dominance has decreased a little bit from this 60%, but we might can go back. First usually Bitcoin, and then the altcoins are following. But we're going to see how it is. The altcoins already, some of them performing extremely well. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is that we have a new record in the market cap. Bitcoin's market cap surpassed 1.6 trillion US dollar. Well, because of the price increase what we have seen in Bitcoin, and because there are more Bitcoin in the system than it was like during the last bull market, we witnessing right now a new market cap record. Look, if you're looking at this, this is now Bitcoin price, and this is how the market cap grew over the years. And of course, we have seen, new records for a while, but now actually we are above 1.6 trillion US dollar. When we're looking at the full market cap of the crypto market, look at here, it's almost at 3 trillion US dollar, and we kind of just at the beginning of the bull market if everything plays out well. So yeah, I think this is a significant milestone, and yeah, I think this is just the start. And of course, this is what you see here. We had last week, the Fed cut the rates once again, this time with 25 basis points. But this is going to continue. Probably on the 18th of December, we're going to have another 25 basis point rate cut, and so on and so forth, bringing it down to 3.74%. The interest rate by the end of 2025. And if this is happening, we had the election, Trump won, crypto-friendly president, and on the other hand, we do not see, recession signs. They cutting the rate cut. It's all good for liquid markets, so probably it can boost the price further. We're going to see. There will be corrections. Don't get me wrong, but now it's a time for a while actually. Probably to go up, a good Q4 we have witnessed at least so far, and at least one part of 2025 could be also bullish. Right, another important thing, how fast Bitcoin it's growing in a way that how, the big guys like BlackRock accumulating, because Bitcoin ETF is now bigger than BlackRock's gold fund. So let's talk about that. And this is also crazy. BlackRock started to accumulate Bitcoin just at the beginning of this year, after the 11th of January. And what we have right now, they have a bigger, Bitcoin than gold fund. Look, this is how you can see it pretty well. It's almost on the same level, almost identical. But right now in the Bitcoin, they have 33.1 billion US dollar, and in gold they have just under 33 billion dollar here. So, and gold is actually, iShares Gold ETF has been offered since 2005. So it's out for a long time, and BlackRock's Bitcoin Spot ETF just came out this year. We haven't even closed the year. We're talking about like 11 months or something like that. And it's already bigger than gold. So I think this showed the significance. And when you're looking at how much, Bitcoin is entering to the Bitcoin ETFs issuers, 3,150 came out last week on the week 44, and 20,268 entered to them. And look at this number. On the 7th of November, more than $1 billion entered just into IBIT, and all together 1.3, almost $1.4 billion we're talking about entering in one single day. And that actually continues, and we're going to see how this going to move further. Then another one is Microstrategy. They doing extremely well with the Bitcoin investment. Well, so we have Microstrategy, and their portfolio, Bitcoin portfolio, surpasses 20 billion US dollar, and the return of investment is more than 100%. It says somewhere it's 104%. They're holding already 252,200 Bitcoin, and their average price, because they're DCAing, their average price is 39,292 US dollar, and they bought, as you can see it, 42 times since the August 2020, 42 times. And with this, their return of investment, it's more than 100%. So it doubled already, and Bitcoin just broke its new all-time high. Doing DCA strategy, and they are over 20 billion US dollar with it. So looking pretty well. Guys, I think these were the most important ones. New all-time high. We have the new direction we are actually going. And if you don't want to miss a single thing and you would like to stay up to date, then very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. For more than 4.5 years, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I'm making every day a couple of new short videos, the essence of the news. And from Monday to Thursday, you're having these longer videos as well. So if you like it, definitely hit the like button. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.